Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are interested in doing hand embroidery, you might have heard of Suzhou Embroidery or Suxiu. Suxiu is the embroidery created around the city of Suzhou, Jiangsu, China. It is one of the oldest embroidery techniques in the world and is the most representative type of art in Chinese embroidery. One of the well-known four great embroideries of China, along with Cantonese embroidery, Sichuan embroidery, and Xiang embroidery. Suzhou embroidery already has a history more than 2,000 years, and it's an important form of handicraft in the history of Chinese art and folk custom, representative of Chinese traditional folk arts. It is famous for its variety of stitches, beautiful patterns, elegant colors, and consummate craftsmanship. You might be wondering what thread to use when doing Suzhou embroidery. Here it is. The pure mulberry silk thread. I have three types of silk threads available in my shop. As a matter of fact, they are all mulberry silk thread. This is one big skein. There are 20 small skeins in one big skein. This is a small skein. It has 20 to 22 meters. I separated this small skein from a big skein, so you would know there are 400 to 420 meters in one big skein. This is a small spoon. It also has 20 to 22 meters. The quantity on a small spoon equals to a small skein. Customers frequently ask me about the thickness of my silk thread. The green color thread on my hand is the polyester thread I bought from the market. It has 6 strands. Now I compare the polyester thread with my silk thread so you will see the thickness of my silk thread. As you can see, compared to the polyester thread, my silk thread is very thin. My pure mulberry silk thread is non-twisted silk thread, so you may split it into 2 strands or even smaller strands when you are doing the embroidery. It depends on your demands. As you can see, it's very thin compared to the polyester thread in the market. You might be wondering how to distinguish the pure mulberry silk thread from the polyester thread from the market. Now I'm bending my pure silk thread. See a very small lump. Crush it with my fingers. It comes off in the form of powder. Meanwhile, you will sense a smell. The smell is the same as burning your own hair. That's because natural silk thread is made from silkworm's cocoon, the main component of which is protein. Now I'm burning the polyester thread. When I blow the fire off, you will see a black lump. It is hard. When it cools off, I crush it with my fingers. It won't come apart. Meanwhile, the smell is pungent as burning plastic. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.